How to change TikTok password. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up TikTok on your device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now simply tap on account. Again tap on password. Now enter the code. Simply go back to the home screen. Now open up your email. Now open up the email. Copy the code. Now go back to TikTok. Now paste the code. Now wait for some time. Now create a password. Now simply tap on next to change your password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.